Guys, LA Panther here, and I know that yesterday's vlog was kind of really crappy. It was very unorganized and very just not good. So I'm sorry for that. I'm still very rusty, but I really wanted to put a vlog out there. So there you go. But I've been just doing some cool stuff, just hanging around, having fun. Today's gonna be a good day. It's Monday. Since it's President's Day, we get to skip school. Not get to skip school. We don't have school. So, my dad and my mom are going to sign papers for our other house, and my grandparents are gonna be just watching us, I guess. And but later, once my dad comes home, I'm gonna be going to his work, and he surprised me yesterday by telling me that we're going to be building a custom computer, and it's gonna be really cool. Beautiful day to vlog. This shirt is wet. I just pulled it out of the washer because I wanted to wear it, and it was it seemed dry, but it's not dry. So. I don't know. I'm just going to deal with it for now. I'll probably get in the hot tub. I think our grandparents are here. Yeah, they're here now. But I'm just kind of chilling. I'm going to build the computer at 3, which will be fun. So I'm just kind of relaxing, just having fun. So here, I'm zooming in on your face.
No.
If you like it or not. Yeah. Hey.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Blah, blah, blah.
Hi, blah, blah.
Let's go here. Never mind, my room is messy. Let's get out of here. This is where I'm just chilling. Andrew's room is cleaner than mine.
And I have pictures.
Which is weird. Yeah, Andrew draws a lot. I don't know.
And look, I got the Whoopie kid.
Oh! I'm officially addicted to Clash Royale. I've been playing it all day, pretty much. It's 10 o'clock. I woke up at 9 and I've been playing Clash ever since. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do. I like sitting outside. I'll probably go jump in the trampoline. And, yeah, I'm just kind of relaxing and, yeah. I'm going to try and land a flip just while holding my phone. I just landed 5. But let's try and land it while holding my phone. Oh, I just landed while holding my phone. Did you guys just see that? I'm trying again. Oh, there it is. Yeah. I love this thing. Guys, I'm sorry. I am very sorry for the vertical iPhone in all of my videos. So today is the beginning of horizontal iPhone. You guys ready to do some horizontal iPhone? Yeah, guys. Horizontal iPhone club. Let's go. Horizontal iPhone from now on. Going now, but I keep forgetting about horizontal phone club. Everyone who watches this, who makes a YouTube channel, you have to join the horizontal phone club. Watch this video with a horizontal phone. That's the new rule, the horizontal phone club. But yeah, I'm going to my dad's work, and we're going to be building a custom computer because, yeah. Here, but the entire place is huge. I know this is one of the 3 buildings, and this isn't even the whole thing. But it's humongous, and we have no idea where he is. We're going to try and find him. I'm with my dad, and he's giving me the official reveal. At least, what is this, the case? Oh my gosh. Is this it?
Yep.
This is just the casing, right? So this is just the casing.
Yeah, look.
Is there anything inside it right now? The fan. This thing's, it's heavy considering it's just the case.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's orange.
I got 3 more orange LED fans.
Nice.
Motherboard, all this stuff here that we'll put all together and then put it in there.
Okay, I want to take off the plastic.
You want to see one of the coolest parts? I'm sure you'll do a full review. To turn it on, you flip that up. Hit the button. It's like a jet engine.
I can't get. Yeah. This is so cool, guys. Wait, where's the clear part right here? And it's clear on the side. That's so cool.
Plastic on the inside.
Oh yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, guys. This is mine now because so if you guys know, I used to have a hoverboard, but it broke, and now this is mine. I don't know. I think like my dad's friend gave it to me. I don't know how, but yeah. This thing is awesome. Where are the lights? Is it the fans?
Yeah.
I know the fans have lights in them.
There's
It's pretty
already
cool.
2 in here that have lights.
Oh, that's cool.
And then this, all you have to do is...
According to him, we're more than halfway done. I'm on just relaxing on the, yeah.
And then,
Look at how big this fan is. This thing lights up, right? I guess I'm changing my gaming setup to orange now. I'll probably put my keyboard on orange, and I'm planning on getting some LED lights for the back of my thing, the back of my desk, so I can, put those at orange. Orange is like one of my favorite colors, though. And I want the Razer Firefly mouse pad, because that thing changes colors. Same with the Death Raider. I like those. This is like my old video card that I used to play Minecraft when I was like 6.
Alright, Jack, that's in.
Yay. It's coming together.
If you're gonna move the thing
It's almost done. All this
Alright, so I just need that.
We're just like a wiring. I think. Oh, I
Can you
hate that
hand me that?
noise. Oh, the panels.
Which one you want?
Leaving now. The beauty is right here, just chilling. And yeah, we're gonna bring it home and set it up. I love the hoverboard. I'm so glad I have it back. Dad, remember we need to bring the charging cable. Here's all this. There's my old hoverboard, just dead. Me this poster, and now I'm gonna watch the movie. I'm coming. I'm still on the hoverboard.
You'd have to go all the way around there if you want to not go over a curb.
I'll go all the way over there, I guess. Oh crap! No, my poster. Delete a couple videos because of the horizontal phone club. I'm trying to do it. I know a lot of these are probably vertical, but I'm so used to it. I'm trying to get on the horizontal phone club, but here's my Doctor Strange poster. I haven't even seen the movie. I'm gonna watch it tonight, but I've never had a movie poster, and I kind of thought it was cool. And then we built the PC, which is here. We're back, by the way. So we got 2 USB ports up here.
Oh my god, look, you can see inside.
It's so huge. It's so cool. This thing's a beast. We just won so close to 87. I've been maining Soldier a lot, but I'm gonna play some Lucio right now. So that's gonna be it for the Overwatch sesh. I'm not gonna power you off yet because I might watch some YouTube, but I'm gonna go watch this. Watching Be Strange. I just started it. I finished the movie, and I swear it's my new favorite movie. I have homework to do, I forgot. It's really late, like really late, kind of irresponsible on my part. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be making another one because we are going to the Lightning game on Thursday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.